Right, so I treated myself to a new crash helmet, as have most of the other competitors who've got crash helmets that were SNELL 2010. They've all expired, so what we've got to do is buy a new helmet. So the last one lasted 13 years, so I thought what I'd do is I'd treat myself to a new one. And I've got myself one of these, which is a Bell GP3 in carbon fibre. It's a phenomenal bit of kit. It's ever so light. It's ridiculously light. It's far lighter than the fiberglass one that it replaced. It's got the hands posts on both sides, so I can use it with my hybrid hands. I've also got it's got the dual screen visor, which means it won't fog up when it gets wet and normally mist up from a bit of rain. So what I've got to do, it's beautiful now with the carbon on it. What I've got to do is I've got to put my stickers on it. My name, let's try and put them. Another pack of stickers in the post. Hopefully it's in the way. Oh, no, that's a piece of paper. How big must be in this one then. What we've got is some stickers with my name on it to go on the sides. These are in matte turquoise again, so I'm going to place them on the side of the helmet so that when I'm driving and the camera's behind my head, it will actually see the name on the helmet. That's the best place to put it. So I'm going to have to stick those on. I might get a bit of masking tape just so I can put them on straight and true, but that's the plan. I'm not going to put any other stickers on it. A few people said, get it painted. Yeah, well, do you know how much it costs to paint a helmet? It's thousands, which is more than the cost of the helmet. And besides which, you want to see that beautiful carbon. It's incredible, isn't it? It's nicely made. Inside it's all padded, obviously. I need to put my my little bleeper inside so it fits over my ear when I'm driving, so I can hear the ECU telling me when to change gear. So I need to fit that as well. But yeah, very, very nice bit of kit. So what I'll do is I'll crack on with getting these stuck on the side, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I know approximately where the stickers are going to go. So I'll cut the sticker in two, peel the backing off it, which is the hard bit. Okay, I want it to go about there, don't I? So it looks like it's going to go previously something like that. Okay, so what I might do is start with putting the surname on first, because that takes up the most room. See what I'm doing. Carefully, peel it off there. That goes from the rivet over the hands, like so, there to there. So I'm sticking that on there. That'll fit alright. Is that in the same place? Yeah, why not? And then put my name above it, like so. So what I'll do is I'll just rub that down on there. Okay. Make sure it's stuck down. Get the backing off it carefully, if you can see that hopefully. That looks nice. Right, now we can put the graham bit on top, which will go like that. Hopefully, I don't know whether I can get any closer. Oh, I might be able to get it in there. That'll look good. Key to it is getting it straight, isn't it? that going to go? Yeah, I think we'll do that. Okay. Yeah, rub it down with your fingernail and then peel the backing off, or the top off, carefully. And she goes. Yeah, that's nice. That was lovely, look at that. Very good. Very, very cool. I like that a lot. Good. Okay, so then to repeat that, do it for the other side. Right. Okay, so turn it over. Cut the sticker in two. Put the surname on first, so it's level with the rivet and above the hands. So I'll put that there. Take the backing off it first of all, carefully. Right, so surname first. How far is it with the rivets? About there, okay. See if I can get it in the same spot. Not that it really matters, because you don't see both sides at the same time. Okay. It's got to be right. How far above the hands posted is a line there? Okay. There's a line there, that looks good. Right, place it on. I love watching videos where people vinyl wrap cars because that does look impossible. This kind of vinyl I can just about coat with. I did my own car with vinyl, which was, it took it out. The trouble with doing a race car with vinyl is it's all funny shaped pieces to put the vinyl on, whereas a car is a lot easier with the majority of the bodywork is flat. Right, take that off there. Peel that off there. There we go, there's the surname done. Now I've just got to do the graham bit. Again, peel it off carefully, slowly does it. And we're done. And I'll plonk that above it. Whereabouts above it was it? It was quite close to the B. So where I put above the B, this is the RA, so we'll do the same again. And there we go. Jobs are good, and that's it. Rub it with your finger. And peel the backing off. Yeah, done. Nice. That looks great. There you go. And on the other side. There you go. Superb. Right, that's it. I haven't got any more stickers to put on it. It will need a Motorsport UK approval sticker. At the first event, they probably charge you £5 for it. It just means it's been seen and passed by a scrutineer. But yeah, very pleased with that. It's a beautiful looking helmet. Next job I'm going to have to do is to install these, like I said, the bleeper and the wire on the outside to plug it in for when I drive in the car. And yeah, superb. Can't wait to drive it and see what it's like when I'm racing around the tracks at high speed. Brilliant.